Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So we already bought Perplexity Pro, the payment went through, you got the receipt, but when you open Perplexity, it still says basic. You can't access the advanced models, you can't access the details, so basically it's like you never purchased anything. You can't even upload files and you are stuck wondering, where is my Pro access? This is one of the most common issues. So it's almost like always fixable, to be honest. According to Perplexity's official documentation, the problem usually falls into one of three categories. Either you are signed into the wrong account, you have an accidental enterprise organization blocking your personal subscription, or you are on a promotional offer that requires a credit card on file. So in today's small tutorial, I'm going to walk you through every official fix for Pro subscription activation issues. So fast and easy as usual, let's get started. So the first one would sound obvious, but it's the most common cause. You might have purchased Pro on one email address, but signed into Perplexity with another. Go back and check on your settings if it's the actual same profile. Look at your name, look at your email address into settings, make sure it's the correct one, then go and check for the Pro status. Perplexity provides three ways to verify your Pro status. Either you will be able to upload whatever you want from here, or you can check the card and reclaim, and more. You can look for perplexity.ai, your account homepage or setting should display Pro. And that's the whole idea. If you still have the problem, you can go and contact the support immediately, and that's it. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.